We will raffle 2 houses tonight.
Wow!
And the house will be located in Cebu. If you are living in Manila, then you have to force to stay in Cebu. But anyway, without further ado, our partner, one of the best developers in Cebu, we have
Primary Homes. Yeah,
Boss
Francino Espina. Yeah, okay. Ed Boss Clinton Pital.
Invited sa mga developer ta
nagkarambuga
Boss ba rasligan ng parapon.
Your house. Nabihan mga balay na naman. Ordinaryo yung balay din sa Pilipino. Ang raffle na lang. Ang balay ng warsa, milyon-milyon.
Napinasimulan Masters Boss.
1.9 million to boss.
Ha?
1.9 million cash.
Wow.
Kaya yung luha ko balay. Oh.
So Boss Chinsing, can you please give a round of applause?
Boss Chin!
Primary! The reliable
Thank you, Boss
partner.
Don. Are you ready for the next set of raffle draw?
Yes!
Well, for the longest time since the onset of Filipino Homes or Lucario Realty, we have been at his back, and until now, we're here with this convention. And we're so grateful, along with other developers. We're happy, our hearts are full to see our partners, our Filipino Homes family receiving cash prizes and receiving cars and commercial lots. And this time, another 2,000 lots. And who could this be? Of course, before we draw the 2 winners, I'd just like to make some few announcements. This coming November, we will be launching the 3rd season of our Pabahay program. And this is open to all of you. This means that the Pabahay program is not just to be given during a raffle draw just because of your sales. You are entitled a house and lot. And we will launch this on our Partners Night this coming November 15th. So watch out for this. And again, Filipino Homes is invited to our grand Partners Appreciation Night. So watch out for that. So Boston, are you ready to wrap up the first house?
You have to come forward. It is our Cambiolo. I have to mix all the tickets so we can get the luckiest winner today.
Si Boss na nagkakapot.
Bossing, can you please do the honor to get the winner to your brand new house by Primary Homes. Okay, I'll do the honor, boss, Chris. And the winner for our first house and lot, sponsored by Primary Homes, Robert, Alfred, and Mary Noreen. From Iloilo.
Wow!
When you have now a house in Cebu where you can have your vacation, grabe na.
No?
So anytime they can go to Cebu na. Because this is what our house is.
Congratulations to our new winner, Robert Alfred and Mary Noreen Joy Thomas. You have a brand new house and lot
So you can, you
Cebu.
don't have to worry about visiting Cebu anymore. May bahay kayo. May bahay na.
So, ilipat na kayo sa Cebu. Kasi may bago na kayo house and lot.
Sure na tayo. Ang kuya. Ay, ang gusto. Next.
Grabe, ano?
Okay, congratulations. Now, who of you here are praying today to win another house and lot?
Hindi mo nagtanong.
Who are praying here? Okay. Okay. So we will raffle another house and lot. Austin.
I'd like to call on my partner, the head
Yes.
of Primary Homes Bohol,
Ay,
to
di tagit sa oras, ano?
Bohol.
pick the next winner for the house and lot. Please do the honors, Jara.
Pag nanggalan kita, magrani ka sa akin. Taraman niya ni Boss. Oh! sunanggana na yan.
She also happens to be the best
Abutab.
Ah?
Sunanggana ng
Ay, sunanggana. Ay, sunanggana. Star of the night.
Star of the
Grabe,
Night.
ano?
Star of the Night.
Wow! Grabe, ano? Sikat na, ano? Nanalo na yan. Grabe, ano? Nanalo pa siya.
Boss Robert, can you also come on stage?
Baka may parapol pa si Buston sa mga ano. Ade, kung mga pinainat lang yan. Ano? Ay, hindi man tapos. Major na kaya? Major na ba kaya?